This is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. We're looking at the Allamanda bush here. The winds were rather strong at the moment because we're on the outskirts of that tropical system that's crossing over the lower portion of Florida south of us, but we get the outward winds flow from the wind things. And we're just looking at what is it? I was just waiting for the water to come out. The guy was doing a thing on the hydrants. They flush the hydrants every once in a while. I thought it was going to be on this side of the street, but we must have it's on the other side of the street. So there's the hydrants. And coming back to my little oddball, there it is. I have never seen in all my years. As you can this, but you can see all the seed pods on the Allamanda. And here we go. Let me just get back over here. And there is the hydrant in full force. It'd be nice to be straight across the street, but we only have one side. Oh, we're going to get some water over here. Apparently the pot over there is diverting some of the water, so we'll get rid of some of the garbage on my side of the street. So that's it for now, but let me just take a look back at my seedlings here. Right here. This is all the branches that came down after the garbage picked up this morning. Thank you guys. The wind got them, thank you. And here we go. Let me just get past the AC. And we're into Allamanda City. Alright, this was from last year. Those seed pods that I showed you up there are returned over here. And apparently, over the past several months, those little darling seeds in those little porcupine seed pods, they're little brown seeds about a ½ inch, circular, but on an even pattern. And I had planted a bunch of the seeds into those little pots over here, and I may have a few other ones laying around, but this is the one. And the reason I'm picking these plants at one time because I'm still looking for my little hand tool, which disappeared about 2 months ago now. Well, anyway, this is the Allamanda plants in the Dougherty Garden. And I have about 20 young seedlings, about 18 inches tall in height, and they are new additions to the Dougherty Garden. If I don't find a home for them, we're going to find a home in that little green container down the end there because we're just running out of space. And that's it. Just want to say thank you. Stop by. Let me see. It's a little getting windy out there. We're in the outskirts of the storm coming. So that's it for Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by. Like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. And we need all the attention we can get because I think I'm not getting any attention at all. So anyway, what you see here is growing green every day in the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.